I had so much fun to create this kit. Oh, I love making kits. I'm so happy when I came up with something like this. Hey everyone, Archana here. Today I would like to share one more kit, which is stunning kit, and papers are by Minte. I know a lot of people are crazy for Minte papers and I'm so glad I have them all. So here is the kit. I really hope you will like it. I really had fun creating such kind of kits, and this kit is dear to me since I have everything which I wanted to put together. So I hope it will work for you as well. So the collection called Life Stories, I know a lot of you already seen this collection, so I don't want to open it, but you can see all the colors and graphics right here. And this paper pad has a bonus. Backside of this cover page you will get all the cutouts, which you can see right here. I'm so sorry for the glare. And they are easy to cut, and also you are getting some journaling spots right here. Super pretty, super beautiful kit. I love this door and these hinges, so cute, right? So this whole paper pad, 12 by 12 paper pad, is included in this kit. And since this kit has a camera, you can see right there, so I thought I will give you a camera theme kit, so you can create your own camera mini album. So I have a camera mini album which is a scrapnik chipboard pieces, and it has a 6 pieces, but it don't have any kind of hinges or anything, so you can create your own spine and all. You can use as per you want. I'm so glad it doesn't have any those rings and holes somewhere, 3-4 holes. I don't like that one. And again, it's not built in album. That's what you have a flexibility to create your own album. You can create a spine on this side or this side or on the top, whatever you want. So the top page has this already cut out circle. So I got an idea, if you can create something using this Prima dome. Isn't it pretty? I'm so happy, I'm so excited about this one. When I found out this circle is perfect for this dome, right? So you can create something inside, something really cute. I have so many ideas, but I'm so sorry I couldn't make any kind of albums right now, so I have no time at all, so I'm so sorry again. But I'm sure a lot of you are going to do something prettier. And there is one dome, Prima dome included. So you will get 6 decent size pages, and each page length, I will just check it out for you. So these are 7 3/4 by 7 1/2. Okay, so these measure 7 3/4 by 7 1/2. It's pretty decent size, right, for our mini album. So this one I will keep it right here, and this dome right here. And then I thought I will include some strong glue for you this time. So everybody loves these zig pens, right? These 2-side zig pens. Let me open it. So these are. So I have zig pen included in this kit. And then I also have a very cute pastel brown colored ink to ink your edges, and this color goes perfect with this one. And if I run out of this color, I will have some brown or some kind of this moss green color for you, so don't worry, you will get one kind of ink there. And then I have 2 chipboard pieces which are also by Scrapnik, and they are cameras, cute little cameras, so cute, and capture the moment. So then because of this kit called Capture the Moment kit. So please check it out, the name Capture the Moment, at craftycity.com in under the kit section. And it will look so pretty on this dome too, right? Like that. Anyway, these two are here. And then I do have Prima's really pretty flowers. So cute, right? They are new flowers by, I think pretty pale, Prima's new collection, but these are so cute. It has so many colors, like the colors which are in this paper pad. You can see, right? So much close to that. And it has so many smaller flowers and leaves and some pics right there. Super cute. And also, since this has the light minty green color, I do have these Prima's flowers, which I am in love. So cute flowers, you can see. There are roses, open blooms, and a variety of flowers in there. And also it has some leaves too, you can see right there. Awesome, right? So these two packs are here. And also I thought I will include some of the Graphic Fortify, these black long tags, since I just got them in. Again, they sold out really quick, so I ordered them and they got in. And it has this ring also, if you want to use for your album too. There is a big ring, and these tags are pretty bigger than the album size, but you can easily cut or fold and use it. It's use your imagination and creativity. So I just wanted to give you this whole tag album, and it has a 6 tags. Wow, nice, right? So 6 pages and 6 tags. You can even create another tag page in between 2 pages, right? Means it's just me. I would do that. And then we will move on to our laces. So I have some of this twine. These are Prima twines, gypsy twines, in really cute color, matches perfectly. And then I do have a 1 yard of seam binding, which is white and brown. Of course, it matches to that. And I do have this interesting lace. It's so pretty. Look at this. And it's so big. So if you want to cover this dome, you can easily maybe cover it like that. I'm not sure, it's just an idea. Or you can just put this underneath like that, something like that, and then cover the dome. It will look pretty. This lace is so pretty. So that is it, and please check it out. Of course, I have very limited kits. I always do have. I don't know, because other things are really hard to find than paper, so always I have limited kits. And if you will be late, they will be gone. But if you want, please email me. If they are not available or sold out, please let me know. I will create one for you. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.